Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai, practically any Hyundai vehicle guys. It doesn't matter, okay, it could be a Hyundai Sonata, it could be Santa Fe, Tucson, Accent, it could be Veloster guys, Elantra. If you have Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and any of the following two codes guys. I'm talking about code P1150 and code P1170. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it guys. It could be so many things, and we're going to share based on our experience what we usually do, how we approach that problem and how we fix it. So stay with us and we're going to cover all that today. Now before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Another thing, why we do that, simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else guys, if you need to buy a new camshaft position sensor, any of the tools, parts that we use in our videos, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's explain now guys, the most likely thing that causes that code, and we're going to explain what else can cause it, because it could be multiple things guys. Now on your Hyundai guys, doesn't matter if it's a 3, 4, 6 cylinder engine, this is a 4-cylinder 2.4 engine that has been used in almost every Hyundai model that we mentioned guys. That engine, now you need to find your intake manifold. Intake manifold is on one side of the engine where it gets the air, and on the back side you have the exhaust manifold. And on the intake manifold right here where that hole is, you're going to have guys, one sensor. This sensor right here, this is known as a MAP sensor or barrel sensor. Manifold absolute pressure sensor. What's the purpose of that pressure? It detects guys, it helps the computer figure out how much air the engine is getting, so it can adjust timing, variable timing, ignition, fuel and all that stuff. So things to look for guys, it could be a bad sensor. We will have a video guys on the channel how to actually go ahead and test MAP sensor and find out if it's working or not. It's not very complicated. It could be guys, that's the wiring harness right there. Make sure it's not unplugged, make sure the wires are not broken even, or the wires, if they get loose, in some cases they can get in the radiator fan and get broken. So it could be that one as well. It could be also guys, if that seal is bad, it could be causing leaks, or if you have a vacuum leak, can cause that. Throttle body, that malfunctioning, it can cause that guys. That's another thing, and let's explain what else. But before we continue, I want to share something with you guys. This is the computer that we use for diagnostics. Many of you constantly ask me in the comment section below, so this is it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Right there, it's Hyundai. You can work on practically almost any car you can think of, read codes from every computer. And this Hyundai specifically has 17 computers guys. You can read codes, delete codes and see live data. Now what else guys, in some cases can cause that code. In some cases it could be even the throttle position sensor integrated in your accelerator pedal, so it could be that thing as well guys. And we have a video on the channel that explains how to test throttle, accelerator pedal, to make sure that's not the cause. It could be dirty throttle body. This is your throttle body or malfunctioning guys. Again, we have the video on the channel. It could be vacuum leak. So what is a vacuum leak? Vacuum leak is any extra air that the engine gets, but the engine computer doesn't know about that. So that can be triggered by that code as well. And another thing, it could be oxygen sensor, upstream oxygen sensor guys. We'll have a video how to test throttle body, oxygen sensor, throttle, accelerator pedal guys. And also we'll have a video coming soon how to test MAP sensor so we can find out what's wrong. But 90% of the time when we get this code on Hyundai, newer Hyundai, it's that sensor that needs to be replaced. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.